If you're tossing, turning, or waking up with back pain, it might not be you. It could be your mattress. But how do you choose the right mattress for your back and sleep position, especially with hundreds of options out there? Don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break it all down for you. The best mattress for back pain, firm versus soft. Which is better for you? The number one mistake side sleepers make and the hidden link between your spine and your sleep. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for. So let's jump in. Your mattress isn't just where you sleep. It's where your spine realigns, your muscles recover, and your body resets. A bad mattress can lead to chronic lower back pain, poor posture, and even disrupt your RM cycle. But the right mattress? It supports your natural spine curvature and matches your sleep position, giving you deeper, more restorative rest. Let's start with your sleeping position, because that's the foundation. Are you a back sleeper, side sleeper, or stomach sleeper? Back sleepers. You need a mattress that supports the natural S-curve of your spine. Too soft and your hips sink. Too firm and your shoulders lift. Look for a medium firm mattress, ideally with lumbar support or even an orthopedic mattress if you have chronic issues. Side sleepers. This is the most common sleep position in the US. But here's the problem. If your mattress is too firm, it puts pressure on your shoulders and hips. The best mattress for side sleepers is usually plush on top with pressure relief zones like memory foam or hybrid mattresses. Stomach sleepers. You need a firm surface to keep your hips from dipping. When your hips sink in, it pulls your spine out of alignment and triggers lower back pain. So a firm mattress is non-negotiable here. Quick tip. If you're a stomach sleeper and suffer from back pain, switching sleep positions or adding a body pillow can really help. Let's settle the debate, firm versus soft. The truth is, it depends on your body type and sleep style. Heavier sleepers, over 230 pounds, usually need a firmer mattress for support and durability. Lightweight sleepers, under 130 lbs, often feel more comfortable on softer beds because they don't sink as deeply. But here's the key word: spinal alignment. No matter how soft or firm the mattress feels, the goal is to keep your spine neutral. Test it like this. When you lie down, is your head, shoulders, hips, and ankles in a straight line? If yes, that's your sweet spot. Let's talk materials. Not all mattresses are created equal. Memory foam, great for pressure relief and motion isolation. Ideal for side sleepers or couples. Look for Certi per USAir certified foam. Inner spring, traditional coil support. Good airflow. Best if you like a firmer, bouncier feel. Hybrid mattress, best of both worlds. Combines coils and foam for support and comfort. If you're unsure what to get, hybrids are a safe bet for most people. Latex, durable, eco-friendly, and naturally cooling. Excellent for those with allergies or who sleep hot. Pro tip, always check if your mattress has zoned support. This means firmer foam around the hips and softer around the shoulders. Perfect for proper spinal alignment. Here are 3 signs your mattress is hurting your back. 1. You wake up stiff or sore, especially in the lower back. 2. You sleep better on a hotel bed or your couch than at home. 3. You see visible sagging or indentations, especially around your hips. If any of these sound familiar, it's time for a change. Here's how to make sure you're choosing the right mattress without getting scammed. Try before you buy. If you can, test in-store. Lie in your typical sleep position for at least 10 minutes. Look for sleep trials. Many brands offer 90 to 120 night trials. If it doesn't work for your back, return it. Check the warranty. A good mattress should come with a 10-year warranty minimum. Don't fall for just the softest mattress marketing. Softer doesn't mean better. It's all about balance. Your mattress should work with your body, not against it. So whether you're a back sleeper looking for lumbar support or a side sleeper in need of pressure relief, now you know exactly what to look for. If this helped, don't forget to hit that like button. Have questions about specific brands or materials? Drop them in the comments. We reply to everyone. And if you want more real talk about sleep, comfort, and home hacks, make sure to subscribe for more. Sleep better, feel better, live better. See you in the next video.